Hi, in this video we're going to go over your Zuki Pro account. So when you create an account with ZookBinders, you're able to log into a dashboard to get a lot of very important information and place your orders. So you're going to go here, and if you have an account, you're going to use the login. And you're going to come to a space like this with the two purple lines on the side. And this is Zuki Pro, the ordering system. Some interesting things that you'll find here is a little menu box that's got a couple categories in it. The first is account information. If you need to change any of the details of your Zuki Pro account, like the shipping information or your email address, preferred phone number, etc., you can do that in the account information section and then hit submit to save it. You'll also find your order history with several different tabs here to indicate where the orders are in the process. So if we're working on it, it'll be in process. If we're waiting for you to approve a design or submit a revision, it will be in this category, and then you'll see shipped orders here. In the pricing tab, you'll find our pricing calculator, and this is something that is so helpful when creating quotes for clients or price lists, etc. You're going to have to decide if you want to do print to bind or design, print, and bind to start. So we'll start with the design, print, and bind. Here, you're going to find all of the products that ZookBinders offers and some of the add-ons and upgrades as well, and our small Luster books and Easy books, which are replicas of the main album. To begin to figure out the price for a project, you're going to enter the number of images in your design. Let's go with 50. And you notice the numbers changed here. We went from a 10 spread album to an 11 spread album because we added more images. So this calculator will adjust the number of spreads in your project based on the 4.5 images per spread average that our designers use. You'll also see the price for the design increase or decrease if you change the number of images in your design. So this here is the quote on the design, depending on if you're using simple, classic, or contempo, based on the number of images in your album. This number here is the number of spreads. So let's say we'll go with 75 images. And so we have about 4.5 images per spread here. You're going to see the price of the albums change too. So this is the cost, the base price for a Luster book, Zook book, the Bona V, or the Easy book. So this is what the album comes with. The Luster book will come with a wraparound cover. The Zook book comes with leather. The Bona V comes with either leather or a photo cover. There's no difference in price there. And the Easy book only comes with a photo wrap cover. So again, using this calculator, you can find the cost of your design and the cost of the album. In the center column here, you'll see upgrades and add-ons that can be added to the Zook book or the Luster book. And then you have your small replicas over here, which will change in price based on the number of spreads in your album. For the print to bind only, all you're going to need to do is put in the number of spreads that you've already designed. So here I can say 14 spreads, and I'll see the base price of the album update. So again, my Luster book with 14 spreads is $212, and that's going to include the wraparound cover. If I'd like a leather spine, I'm going to go over here and see that it's $40 or $40 for full leather. The other upgrades are available down here. So this is a really handy tool when you're looking for information about how you're pricing when you're talking to a customer or when you're preparing a price list. So back to the dashboard. If you'll scroll down a little bit here, you'll find a couple other really helpful tools. We have a download of the full catalog. Again, this has pricing in it, so not to share with your clients, but if you want to have that on hand when you're looking at pricing. Download for our Rose ordering system if that comes into play with a matted album that you might be ordering. And then we have this new piece that was recently added. This is our magical profit calculator. And what you can do with this, click on it, and you'll get a spreadsheet that's going to download for you. And this was used recently at a presentation that our CEO, Mark Zucker, attended and spoke at, Wedding MBA. So here is a sample of what that pricing calculator would look like and some instructions. So basically what you would do is plug in all the numbers, all your costs for your business during the year, in addition to all the income that's created, and you'll have an estimation of actually what you'll be making per hour and per job. There's a blank one here too with all the calculations built in. So again, this is a very helpful tool when running your photography business. And if you need to get back to our website, you can click on any of the tabs up here. And if you need to log out, just head on right over there. And so hopefully that's a nice overview for you on how to use your Zuki Pro dashboard and all the useful tools that are in there. Thanks.